Start your day efficiently with the Howmuch POS system. Easily initiate a new order from the dashboard, then seamlessly confirm your shift details. Select your drawer and enter the starting cash amount to ensure accurate financial tracking from the moment you begin sales, streamlining your daily operations. Once on the new order screen, you can truly customize your workspace to boost productivity. Simply access the Options menu and select Edit Screen. This intuitive feature empowers you to tailor the interface, ensuring your most used functions are always within reach for faster transactions. In Edit mode, easily identify customizable sections with clear red highlights. You have the power to rearrange key elements like Mart supplier, customer information, and even toggle between pickup or delivery order types. This flexibility ensures your screen layout perfectly matches your operational workflow, enhancing overall efficiency. Gain full control over your financial overview and item details. As you scroll, notice how critical sections like cash received, due amounts, and grand totals are highlighted for effortless editing. Easily adjust the visibility and placement of item quantities, discounts, and promotions. This customization optimizes screen real estate and prioritizes crucial information for quick decision-making and seamless transactions. Experience the extensive customization capabilities by scrolling through the entire new order screen. Observe how every vital section, from customer and supplier details to product lists and payment summaries, can be adjusted to fit your specific needs. This unparalleled flexibility ensures your point-of-sale interface aligns perfectly with your unique business processes, significantly boosting operational efficiency and user satisfaction. Once your screen is perfectly configured, return to Options and select Disable Edit. This exits customization, letting you resume sales with an optimized, personalized layout.